So I'm cheating. I'm actually inside the whelping pen right now, and I've got them outside. We have Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Hi, baby girl. They ate, so this is when typically they like to play and hang out for a few minutes. We have Tadeo. Where are you today? You gonna come say hi? No, we got Kappa saying hi instead. This is Kappa. Hi, Kappa. We should have... There's Tadeo. There's Tadeo. Hi, big boy. Hi, Tadeo. Are you trying to escape? Oh, he might just do it. They like to come in and snuggle. We have a little routine here. There's Pepita. Hi, baby girl. Are you gonna make it today? Maybe you are one of the boys. Tadeo really likes to be where people are, so... I see you. And then Kappa. Hi, Kappa. Hi, Kappa. You can see that Tasha and the black boys are a little more indifferent. They're also getting to know their environment more. So the beige ones so far seem to be a little bit more attached to people. Oh, we got over here. Let's see. I know as soon as I move, they're going to follow me. We got Tasha. We can't see her against the black background. We have Otto. Hi, Otto. Hi, Otto. Are you coming in to say hi? Hi, Otto. Oh, off he goes. That's Pepita. Hi, Pepita. You want to come in and visit? You want to visit? Is that the problem? You want to visit, Pepita? Hello, princess. Hello. They are just... Hello, baby girl. We have Tadeo. Hi, Tadeo. And then Kappa. Hi, Kappa. Hi, Kappa. Hello, pretty boy. Tasha. Tasha. Oh, come say hi. Tasha. Tasha. Otto. Hi, Otto. Here's Tasha. There's Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Hello, princess. Hello, feisty girl. Hello, feisty girl. What are you doing? Oh, feisty girl. She likes to play. The only one we don't see is Kai. Typical of Kai. He's the one that's always hanging back. He's right there. Just see the yellow of his collar. They're still doing the little drop prancing thing, which is hysterical. They all want back in the whelping pen, so let me pause for her another minute. What, Otto? What's the matter? You can see Pepita. They're quite sweet. Oh, what's all right, Kappa? So that's them. Week 4. Halfway there. Say bye, family.